Hi! Welcome to another one of my little videos. I'm actually going to attempt to make old-fashioned brown sugar fudge. This is my uncle's recipe. I'm currently just melting 3 tablespoons of butter. So basically I'll tell you the ingredients. There's 3 tablespoons of melted butter, half a can of Carnation evaporated milk, a whole bag of brown sugar, vanilla, and nuts if you want them. Oops. Okay. I'd say that's good enough. We're going to add the milk right to it. You put it straight from the can right into the thing, and then the whole bag of brown sugar. Again, this is a first time I've made this recipe, so we're gonna see how it turns out. So right now I just gotta wait and let this boil for 15 minutes, stirring it obviously, because we don't want it to stick to the bottom. Okay, basically we're going to boil this for 15 minutes. I'm going to get a little measuring cup of cold water, around probably about 15 minutes, sorry, about 10 minutes. I'm going to drop a ball of this lovely mixture into the cold water because I want it to reach the hard ball stage, sorry. When it reaches that, I'm going to add the teaspoon of vanilla, which is here. I don't know why it's so dark in my kitchen. And then you pour it into a greased pan. I don't really like greasing my pans. I prefer using parchment paper. That way it's also easier to take out and easier to cut after. I don't think I'll be adding the nuts just because I have a friend who can't have nuts and I'd like her to try these when I'm done. So, once this is boiling, I'll show you what it looks like. So when your butter, carnation milk, and brown sugar are boiling, like it is currently, is when you start your 15-minute countdown. Stir it occasionally, don't stir it constantly, because when you stir it too much, it actually cools it down. So now I just gotta wait the 15 minutes before I can try it out with the hard ball stage, see if it works. Fingers crossed. You can tell that it's already so much thicker. It's actually just about that time. Oops. Yep, we got hard ball. We have the hard ball stage. Oops, where is it? Oh. Almost. So, still just a tiny bit soft, but I think it has to do more with the fact that it's huge drops. So, we're going to add the vanilla and then pour it into that pan. I'm going to have to put the phone down. Yes, I'm recording it with my phone. And I need 2 hands for this part. So I'll show you what it looks like after. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I think it looks pretty good. It's actually starting to hold its shape already. Again, this is why I put parchment, because I can literally lift everything up and then just cut it and not have to worry about my pans. However, I think the next time I make it, I still have to wait to see how this one's going to harden, but I think for the next one, you can see a little different texture on the top. I actually scraped some of the side of the pot, and I think for the next one I won't do that. At least to put in the pan, because it doesn't look the prettiest and tastes really good, but now I just gotta wait for it to cool down. So then, but probably in about another couple minutes, I'm gonna actually wait. Sorry, I'm gonna wait a couple more minutes, and then I'm gonna score up and down and across. So that way when I do officially cut them and wrap them more individually for storage, that it'll be easier to cut in the long run. But so far, looks good. The recipe will be in the description box down below. Let me know if you make it and how it turned out for you. Okay, so I got a couple pieces that just crumbled. And then I got a whole bunch. I'm still waiting for them to cool down completely. I'm gonna let you know, I did score it before I cut them. If I hadn't, that little bowl would have been this big bowl. So before it totally sets, before it gets hard, please remember to score them. It means make a line, not all the way through, but a good portion of it in both directions. Oops. That way and that way. Personally, I don't think they're that bad. I think the next time I make them, I will add some nuts though. So, thumbs up for me. Please like and subscribe to my videos. And if you want me to try another recipe that maybe I haven't even thought of, send me an email or put a comment in under one of the videos, and I'll have a look and we'll see what we can do. Enjoy your night or day, depending on where you are. Until next time, bye.